this is Steelers Fan 055 here, and today I have some updates for you guys. There was a live stream going up, it was only chat, but that is taken down now. But I'm done with my stadium finally. Yes, I am done. And doing stop motions on it. My first real stop motion after my request stop motion is the New England Patriots versus the Steelers game. Another one into the Royal family. But Nick's toy reviews answer my question in his Q&A video. He said that I should make a collaboration of teammates in the Oyo sports. So I'm doing that right now. I think it's coming out this weekend or next weekend. I don't know, but I have a lot of teammates. And plus, I'm going to do a Q&A video. I'm going to answer your questions tomorrow. So get those questions in, and yeah. Because I know a lot of people would say Polo Gaming, Nick's Toy Reviews, all of those. And yeah, just a little update, and go Pittsburgh.